Hi, my name's Liesel with Belkorp Ag John Deere Sales. Today we have our newest John Deere Orchard Factory Cab. Comes fully equipped with our limb lifters, has a bracket up top for a receiver. This model is auto track ready with a display inside. All of our orchard cabs will be coming in the 5 series, 105 horse, 120 horse, and 130 horsepower. ML low profile. It has the diesel and depth guard here, a great visibility in all 4 windows. We have your rear PTO and hitch control right here. Your back window props open. Great for hooking up for implements and also driving implements as well. Inside, we have the cloth interior. We have the heating and air up top, vents on both your left and your right-hand side, gears and power quad on your right-hand side. All of our 105, 120, and 130 Orchard models will be power quad. We have the radio fully equipped with Bluetooth, a few outlets, compartments, cup holders, and lights on the front and the rear. It's very spacious. So give your local Belkorp Ag John Deere sales rep a call and we can get you a quote on our newest model.